Production technology of sorghum powder production line equipment. Broken sorghum. Sorghum powder is made from crushed sorghum. There are many crushing methods, including rolling, crushing, grinding, and other methods. Among them, rolling is a commonly used crushing method. The principle is to roll. The wheel squeezes the sorghum to break it into small particles, cleaning sorghum. The crushed sorghum needs to be cleaned to remove impurities, weed seeds, and other debris. The sorghum cleaning machine is a machine used to clean sorghum. It uses high-pressure water flow to clean the sorghum. The debris in it is flushed out, drying sorghum. Cleaned sorghum needs to be dried to remove moisture. There are many machines for drying sorghum, including airflow dryers, drum dryers, etc. Among them, airflow dryers. It is a commonly used one, grinding powder. After drying, the sorghum needs to be grounded. The grinding mill is a machine used for sorghum processing. It grinds sorghum into fine